Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of programming basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your account in CodeGym. So the first step is to open your preferred browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in CodeGym. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, which is the official logo of CodeGym. After you click on it, you'll be directed to the homepage of the CodeGym website. And here on the top right corner, you can see Start Learning button. Click on it. Now if you don't have an account yet, you can click on Start and create a new account. Since we are trying to log in our account, you have to click on I already have an account. Now here type in your email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and reset your password. Now click on sign in and it is going to ask for this verification. Simply click on this box. Following this simple and easy step, you have successfully logged in your account in CodeGym. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any queries, do not forget to comment down below. Thank you.